Hey there, I'm Danny Truster from Truster Tailor in Rochester, Minnesota. This is Tailor It Yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a split zipper by replacing the slider. This can be done on any number of garments, jackets, zip-ups, hoodies, really anything you can find replacement parts for. To get replacement parts, you can order a kit that comes with a variety of sizes and colors of the zipper sliders and the zipper stops that you'll need for the top or bottom of the zipper. You can get this from Joann Fabrics, Amazon, or a sewing supply website called Wawak, WAWAK.com. You could also get a whole new zipper and just take the slider off of there and it'll work just fine. If any of the teeth of your zipper are damaged or missing, or if the little tabs at the bottom are damaged or missing, those can't be repaired. Those are put on as part of the manufacturing process. So if there's an issue with those, you'll need to replace the whole zipper. What I mean by split zipper is if when you try to zip the zipper, it just stays open or comes apart. This is because the slider is bent and it's not properly engaging the teeth. If you get the zipper stuck and it won't come back down, don't force it. You'll damage the teeth and you'll make the repair a lot more expensive and time consuming. If it is stuck and won't go back down, just take the two stops off the top of the zipper and slide the slider off the top of the zipper and we'll restart it. To do this repair, we'll need a couple of things. You're going to want pliers, zipper top stops, and the new slider replacement part. If you're not sure what replacement part to get, you can look at the zipper, and on the back of it there should be a little number. Typically on jackets, it's a 5 or a 7, 8, or a 10. That number refers to the width of the zipper in millimeters. When you zip it, you can measure the teeth across and it'll tell you what size you'll need, but generally it says the number on there. As you can see on this one, it says number 5, which means it's 5 millimeters in width. First thing we're going to want to do is take the stop off of the top of the zipper. This will allow us to slide off the old slider and put a new one back on. Sometimes you need a little force to do it. And then you'll just slide off the old slider right off the top. Once we have the old slider off, we can take our new slider and sort of wedge that on there. Take the corner and kind of push it over the zipper tape. You'll kind of feel it slide on there. And then slide it down to the bottom. And before we secure the top, we want to test it to make sure we've got the right size slider that's going to work with this. And it seems to zip just fine, doesn't split, everything is secure. Now that we have the new slider on, we're going to want to secure that with a zipper top stop. These kind of look like a Lego guy hand. It's kind of a little claw that will just clamp on the edge of the tape there, and it'll keep the slider from falling back off. A little clamping. And there you go. You got your slider replaced and it works just like new. For more information and courses, including downloadable PDFs, visit our website at tailoryourself.com. And always remember, measure twice, cut once. Thanks for watching.